smoking too much. Mama keeps saying I'm drinking too much. Mama keeps saying I'm smoking too much. All right, and there we go. So now all of the media is linked. And just for a time aspect, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just keep this as the tutorial of the linked files. Make sure that you share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of tutorials that you want moving forward. And yeah, stay tuned for the Juan Carlos breakdown video. Next, I'm gonna show you how to do all the effects that y'all seen in here. All of them, from the slow mos, certain cuts, transitions, blur effects. Yeah, so I don't think you want to miss that one. Over and out. Scouts TV.